Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, January 30th, and this is my recap of the popular pairs. And the Euro US dollar is always one of the most popular pairs. So we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my more full top-down analysis on the euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. Also, don't forget to check out my free Discord trading community, which is linked at the end of this video down here in the corner. And if you would like to check out my membership program for only $30 a month at fxpipcollector.com, you can get access to all the benefits listed down here below. So anyways, today on the euro dollar, definitely a little bit of a slow day overall. I believe that we are in a correction right now to this whole move up, so it makes sense for it to be a slow day. I think that we do have a very clear pattern right here, which is 5 ways down, likely a wave A. We did get a break to the upside, and if you'll notice, we did bounce off the 50% Fibonacci retracement of that 5 ways down. Probably already a complete wave B. Now we are in a correction, and corrections can be overlapping and pretty choppy sometimes, so maybe it will pop up again, maybe not. But I think overall it needs to go down to one of these lower three Fibonacci levels to finish off a wave C before we potentially get a big push up for either a big wave 3 on the higher time frames or a big wave C on the higher time frames, which either scenario should be a very profitable trade. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord trading community. And as always, thank you and happy trading.